Norman Borlaug was born on a small Iowa farm, but he grew into a legend larger than life, filling every moment with his tireless efforts to combat hunger around the world, and somehow fitting several lifetimes of work into his years on Earth. Norm never stopped, moving from one innovation and collaboration to the next, ultimately feeding 1 billion people around the world. Norm's new varieties of wheat that could increase yields and resist disease, and his training of farmers in numerous countries, earned him the Nobel Peace Prize and the title Father of the Green Revolution. His achievements prevented mass starvation and famine, and his diligent work ethic is still an example to us today. Norm saw that our planet faced the enormous task of being able to feed the burgeoning world population, which is estimated to surpass 9 billion by the year 2050. He had a vision for how we could confront this challenge. Norm dreamed that we could find ways to take the green revolution to Africa and other regions and help smallholder farmers succeed, that we could expose the next generation to careers in science and agriculture and inspire them to innovate and create new solutions to feed the world. And he dreamed that someday we might harness the tools of technology to isolate the trait in rice that makes it resistant to rust disease and put that gene into wheat plants to grow more food. Norm dreamed that fighting hunger could become one of the world's top priorities, and to this end, he created the World Food Prize to recognize and inspire great achievements in improving the quality, quantity, and availability of food. To date, the World Food Prize has honored 39 deserving laureates from across the globe, who are incredible examples of how each of us can make a difference. These real-life heroes have worked in a wide variety of areas, ranging from plant science to soil sustainability, from nutrition enhancement to complex policy work. They've led the single greatest period of food production and hunger reduction in human history. Norm's dreams also live on through the World Food Prize Norman E. Borlaug International Symposium, also known as the Borlaug Dialogue. Every year, this renowned conference endeavors to bring the world's greatest minds together to discuss cutting-edge issues in hunger and food security, to share new ideas and propose solutions to global problems to propel us forward. As we celebrate 100 years since Norman Borlaug's birth, we honor his legacy as one of the world's greatest heroes. As his statue is installed in the United States Capitol, Mexico, and India, programs are named in his honor, and the Dr. Norman E. Borlaug Hall of Laureates in Des Moines shares his story, his commitment to eradicating hunger and poverty from the face of the earth is carried forward. As we face the single greatest challenge in the history of human agriculture, we need Norman Borlaug's inspiration more than ever. Through each of us, his dreams live on. Each of us can make a difference. Around the world, as we begin the next Borlaug century, he will again inspire us. Together, we can emulate and replicate the achievements of the man who saved more lives than anyone who has ever lived.